This week's lesson, we're going to be working on multiplying by 1/10 over zero point 0.1, which is also a tenth. So quick little review on two-digit multiplication. If we're going to do something like 48 times 23, remember we got to do this 3 times the 8, 3 times the 4, and then this 2, which is really a 20 times the 8, 20 times the 4. So 3 times the 8 is 24, carry the 2, 3 times the 4 is 12, plus 2 is 14. Then you put a placeholder 0, and then we would have 2 times 8 is 16, 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. Add all those numbers to straight down, 4, 10, 11, 1,104. So 1/10, we're looking at number blocks. This here would be 100 block. So that's 10 by 10. This block is a 10 block, which is 10 by 1. And then the red block is a 1 by 1. So 1/10 is really just looking at this one block here, this red block, as one part there. So if we're working on multiplying 1.2 times 0.4, the regular notation there, we would do 1.2 times 0.4. We do 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 1 is 4. But 1.2 times 0.4 does not make sense that you would get 48. This is say like you've got 1 and 2/10 pizza times 4/10 pizza, and now you have 48 pizzas? Nah, that's not right. So something fishy is happening there. For place value notation, that would be 10 plus, or sorry, it'd be 1 plus 0.2, 0 plus 0.4. Same thing. So here, multiply these together, you get 0.8. Here you get 0.4. It really won't be 0.8 because you gotta count these. So it's 0.08, 0.4. Add those together, you get 0.48. So what's happening here is you count how many decimals there are. That's 1. That's another one. So there's 2. So you have to move the decimal 2 times to the right. So you get 0.4. We'll have 2.3 times 0.2. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 2 is 4. And like we said, there's 1, another 1. So overall, we have to move it 2 times. Another way you can think about these is, so the green is 10, the blue, so this is a 1 and a 1. This is 10, a 1, a 1, a 1, 1, 10, 1, 1, 10. So really what this is it's 10 plus 2 over here, and 10 plus 3 over here. But because we were doing this in decimals, this one, 10 plus 2, would really be a whole plus 0.3 and a whole plus 0.2. So that would be 1 plus 0.2, 1 plus 0.3. If we multiply those together, same thing as 1.2 times 1.3, which is 6. 3, 0 is a placeholder, and 1 times 2, 1 times 1. Add them together, 6, 5, 1. We've got 1 decimal, another decimal. So we move it 2 decimals. So you got a whole, 3/10, 1 whole, 2 wholes, another 3/10. So overall here, we've got 2.3 times 1.3, 9, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 2 is 6, 0. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 2 is 2. Add those together. There's one decimal, another decimal. So that means our answer has 2 decimals. So 2 and 99 100ths.